Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and today's video. I actually have my first unboxing for April for you today, and it is a new one for me, a new subscription box. It is Look Fantastic. Here we go, the Look Fantastic Beauty Box. This is a monthly subscription box. It costs £15 a month with free delivery. And I think there's normally about 5 items in here. This is a box that I've been looking at over the last few months. Generally tends to be a little bit more skincare heavy, so that's why I've been umming and ahhing. But I've decided to take the plunge. I've had 2 subscription boxes, one that I've cancelled myself and one that has unfortunately stopped doing the box. So I've got a couple of spaces for new boxes, if you know what I mean. So I thought I would give this a go. I've signed up for 12 months and that has brought the cost of the box down from £15 to £13 per month. It is a 12-month subscription, so I am tied in for that amount of time. However, it's not a prepay subscription, so I've not had to pay all that amount out at once. They will just take the £13 monthly out of my account. Beautiful box, gorgeous lavender purpley box with this orange band all the way around. Let's open it up and see what's in here. Are we ready? Here we go. So it's got a leaflet in the top. It's actually like a little booklet, more than a leaflet, that tells you everything about the products. And it also gives you a sneak peek on the back for the product in the next month's box. Now then, this is a reason why I wanted to do this box, because what's coming next month is an Avant moisturiser. This is going to be worth £100. Now, in this month's glossy box, so in April's glossy box, we have an Avant exfoliator coming. So, because I knew that was coming in the glossy box this month, I thought, when I saw it was the Moon and Stars, it was her unboxing of this box that finally persuaded me to do this. When I saw that this was definitely coming in next month's Look Fantastic box, I thought, well, if we've got the exfoliator this month from Glossy Box, get this next month from Look Fantastic, use the two together, it's always the best idea, isn't it? So yeah, so I will refer to the booklet as we're going along, because I'm pretty sure it tells you the RRPs and things as well. So, like Glossy Box, it is in tissue paper with a sticker on. So the first product in the box is, it's by the skincare company Erno Laszlo. Here we go, here's the outer packaging, and this is a Hydrophil skin supplement. This is a 15ml sample worth £5.98, and it's a calming toner which is perfect for dry and sensitive skin. So the fact that this was okay for sensitive skin was, again, another reason why I fancied trying it. There's the little inside packaging. I have just received the Pixie Glow Tonic toner from Latest in Beauty last month. No fragrance to it, that's good. So I'm okay actually for toners, but I thought, well, when that one runs out, I've got this one ready and waiting. So that is the first product. Like I say, that's worth £5.58. Next product is the Ameliorate, I think that's how you pronounce it, Ameliorate Transforming Body Lotion, okay? And this is specially formulated to treat keratosis pilaris, and it's the dry bumpy skin that you can get on the back of your arms. Now, I do sometimes suffer with that, and again, this is dermatologically tested, so great for sensitive skin. Yeah, and I just thought, ooh, again, something like that. I never realised that the little bumpy bits that I get on the back of my arms, that there was a name for it, that you know, it was a sort of a skin condition. Who knew? You learn something new every day. So yeah, so again, when I saw this in there, I thought, well, that's got to be worth a look, got to be worth a try. This little 30ml sample is worth £4. Now that says to me that the full size of this isn't going to be overly expensive. So I'm just going to try a little bit on my hands. My hands are incredibly dry at the moment. Obviously all the hand washing and everything that's going off. I am moisturising. I'm still putting my hand creams on at night, but hey ho. Oh, that smells divine. It's got like a baby talc smell to it. Oh, that's gorgeous. And wow, sunk in straight away. Like I say, I know my skin's dry, so it's probably just gone. But yeah, not greasy, but very, very soft and silky, almost silicone-y. You know that sort of, when you use products with silicone in, you get that sort of very, I don't know how to describe it, it's almost soft crushed velvety feel on your skin, I don't know. But yeah, that's really nice, so I'm excited to try that. Next product in the box is this. Now this is a brand new palette by the company Pierre. Pierre, I have got a couple of their products. We got a gold liquid eyeshadow in Glossbox. I think it was the Christmas one in December. Really quite like that actually. And they are quite an expensive brand. They're not the cheapest. This little palette, which has got 3 shimmers and one matte shade in, is worth £28.99. So let's open it up. I know it's got a mirror on, so I'm going to turn it upside down. And you can see why it's called the Peach Blossom palette. This one here on this end, this is your matte. The rest are all shimmers. Is it really my colour tones and colourways? Possibly not. But I am going to give it a go. And we'll see what I think to it, you know. See what the quality's like. See whether or not I think it's worth it. And the next product out the bag is this. Now then, this is by the company Mine Tan, and it is a coffee body scrub. This is a 30-gram sachet and it's worth £9.95. Now then, let's have a look. Okay. It's a body scrub. It's made with ground coffee beans, okay, the coffee grinds, and it's, as it says, it's got an array of other natural ingredients in it. Now then, 30 grams. It's not the biggest one in the world, I will tell you that. I would say, looking at it, I bet I would get 2, maybe 3 goes with this, and it's £10. I'm using one that I got, I think I got it in my February glossy box when I ended up getting the mystery box rather than the actual themed box that month. And that's, excuse me, that's a black tea one. And that is a much bigger packet. Now I've used that twice or 3 times already. Yeah, so... and there's still quite a bit left of that. So I thought, well, you know, this is a coffee one rather than a tea-based one. Once my tea-based one is finished and empty, then I've got another body scrub to go on to. So there we go. There we go. Excuse me, a bit of a frog in my throat today. And the next item. This was another reason I wanted to get this box, to be perfectly honest. These are by the Vintage Cosmetics company. Now this is a company I have heard of, and I do like some of their bits on their website, to be honest. And it's a set of tweezers which are worth £8. Now then, we got a set of tweezers in, I believe it was January's glossy box, and I have been using them. I also have a pair, or had a pair, of tweezers that I've had for quite a while, just plain stainless steel ones. And unfortunately, both pair of my tweezers have mysteriously disappeared out of my holder up there on my, so the fact that these were in here was another added bonus for me. These are quite weighty. These are weighty tweezers. I like the fact they've got the tip shield there, and oh yeah, they're actually quite a lot. They're quite large. Larger than the other ones that we got in Glossy Box. And I remember being shocked when I unboxed the Glossy Box ones, because the RRP of those was £15 and they didn't feel anywhere near as good quality as these. So yeah, very, very, very happy about that. Excellent. Very, very pleased. There we go. And the last item in the box, so we've had 6 items this month in this Look Fantastic box. This is a sheet mask. It's the by the company Starskin, and it's a 100% Camellia 2-step oil sheet mask worth £9. So it's a dual part treatment that effectively targets dry, dull skin to soothe and restore your natural radiance. So the first thing you do is you use this oil up here. You break open the capsule, massage a few drops of this onto your face. Then you take out the sheet mask, you apply the mask onto your face and leave it on for 15 minutes, and then you obviously throw that away, and then it says to gently pat in the remaining serum. Do not rinse. Now then, I think this is a great idea. Absolutely great idea. The only thing that gets me ever so slightly is it says to just pop a few drops of this oil onto your skin. So you're not going to need everything that you've got in there. If I can find something like a little tester tub or something to put the remainder of that oil in, then that would be great, because you can tell that this is going to be something that's not going to reseal. Once it's been opened, it's opened. And then the oil would be great for obviously adding into your moisturiser. You know, you've got a facial oil, one thing or another. I'm not the biggest fan of facial oils. Because I just don't have that dry skin. What I might do is I might not use the oil, but I might use the mask itself. I don't know. I haven't quite decided yet. But anyway, we'll see. We'll see how we get on with that one. Like I say, I mean, it says for all skin types, but the fact it's got the oil, you know, to me, if you've got an oily skin, you steer clear of products with oil in, if you know what I mean. Anyway, so like I say, that's worth £9. So let's do a quick tot up of everything. So we've got £9 for the facial sheet mask, £10 for the body scrub, so we're on 19. We have £8 for the tweezers, so that's 27. £4 for the body lotion, that's 31. £5.50 for the toner, so that's £36.50, and then the big one, £29 for the eyeshadow palette. So you're looking at a box worth £55 and I've paid £13. It's not bad, is it? I've got a box value of 4 times what it's actually cost me to buy. I'm quite pleased with that. I mean, as a box, it's a nicely rounded box. You know, you've got your tweezers for, obviously, sort of titivating up. You've got your eyeshadow palette. You've got your mask, your moisturising mask, your toner for your skincare, and then for your body care, you've got your body scrub and then your body moisturiser. So I think it's a lovely box. I think it's a great value box. But anyway, let me know your thoughts and feelings down in the comments section, ladies and gentlemen. Have you got it? What do you think about it? What products are you going to use? What aren't you going to use? Let me know. Let me know. Thank you for watching, everybody. As always, if you are new to my channel, the warmest of welcomes. Excuse me. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, I'd love it if you'd consider subscribing, either by the red button down here or the little icon here with my face in it, which will appear shortly. If you're still not quite made your mind up, I'll pop a couple of options of other content videos that I've done for you, so you can check those out if you want to. And that's it. Enjoy the rest of your day, everybody. Keep safe and well, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.